Maryland.
Not here.
Not here, but that person's going to gain a lot of friends tonight.
Okay.
All right, Natasha?
So, I present to you the inaugural day storm of 1993.
Yeah.
Were you there for it?
Yes, I was. I was on the air reporting on that night.
Oh, and didn't you have a fir
I
tree,
had
right?
a 100-foot fir tree in my backyard that came down during that storm. Just missed the house.
That is scary. Yeah, top wind gusts. Tillamook, 98 miles per hour. Salem, it was 51. But gosh, you think about storms like that, it certainly gets your attention. Hey, by the way, I want to mention that we have a new weather lesson up right now on coin.com/weather-kids. You can get the latest on winds, wind speed, and what creates those strong winds right now. A special video lesson right there waiting for you. All right, let's talk about today. Today's high was 47, our low was 30 degrees. We were just a little bit below normal for our morning low temperature, but the record for this day, that's 15 degrees. That was in 1949. Over to Kalama, it is 41 right now. A lovely evening, aside from a few isolated showers. It's a pretty easygoing kind of evening. Rolling into tomorrow, we'll have more isolated showers pop up just like this. The system is pretty weak, and we are not expecting much more than a few hundredths of an inch of rain. Take a look at the rainfall totals for tomorrow. You go out towards eastern Oregon, you might be able to collect something closer to about 2/10 of an inch. But right here in the valley, it's looking pretty minimal. Even out towards the coast, less than 1/10 of an inch. How about snowfall, though? Well, again, looking out towards eastern Oregon, perhaps about 1.5 inches towards LeGrand, Baker City, less than an inch. Also expecting less than an inch for you out towards Government Camp, Bend, Sun River. Other than that, of course, no snow for the valley here for us. Way too warm for that. But is there an opportunity in the near future? Here's our area of low pressure tomorrow. It's staying pretty far offshore. That's one of the reasons why we're not going to see a lot of rain from that system. But what about Sunday? Here's our next system popping in. Well, we need a few factors to kind of line up before we get to any valley snow. And we're getting really close, but I'm not exactly seeing complete evidence that we're going to see any snowflakes in Portland. However, if you're in Cowlitz County or portions of Clark County, right around 500 feet to 1,000 feet Sunday morning, right around 7 o'clock in the morning, the potential is there. You could see some snowflakes flying. But to get those snowflakes to actually stick to the ground, I think you're going to have to be closer to about 1,500 feet that morning, lasting throughout the rest of the day. In the gorge, though, and eastern Oregon, I see some bigger impacts happening there travel-wise for you, where snow could certainly be sticking to the roads. We get to Monday morning, again, we're not expecting much in terms of snowy activity. Wednesday night, another chance to see some rain here in the valley, most of this sticking out towards Salem. And our mountain areas towards Lane County, the Cascades, could be seeing more of that snow collecting. So that's next week. Until then, enjoy Friday and Saturday. Those will be our partly cloudy days with temperatures in the upper 40s, but noticeably colder for you, especially Saturday morning. Another temperature down to about 30 degrees.
All right. Now's a great time to make sure you have